What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about characteristics of polynomial functions in factored form. First example I want to go through is says write an equation of cubic function that has zeros at -2, 3, 1 over 2, and the function also has a y-intercept of -6. So it's cubic function and we have 3 zeros, so it's going to be y equals to c. The x-intercept is -2, so the factor is +2, +3, so it's going to be -3, and 1 over 2 is going to be x minus 1 over 2. How do we find out c? Using this y-intercept of -6. And we know whenever we have y-intercept, it means that x is 0. So c times 0 plus 2, 2, 0 minus 3, -3, 0 minus half, it's going to be equal to -6. So -6 equals to c. 2 times -3, -6, times -half is going to be +3. So c will be -6 over 3, which is going to be -2. So it's going to be f of x, -2, x plus 2, x minus 3, x minus 1 over 2. Or, in order to get rid of this fraction, I can multiply these two in here and make it as x plus 2, x minus 3, and 2x minus 1. That's exactly the same thing. So that's going to be the cubic function in here. Let's take a look to the next example. It says write the equation of a quadratic function. Quadratic means the degree is 4. That x-intercepts at -2, -1, +1, and +2. The function also has a y-intercept of 6. So it's going to be y equals to c times x plus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1, and x minus 2. Y-intercept is when x is 0, and that's going to be 6. So 6 equals to c times 0 plus 2, 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2. So 6 is going to be 2 times 1 times -1 times -2. That's going to be +4. So c will be 6 divided by 4, or 3 over 2. So y will be 3 over 2 x plus 2 times x plus 1 times x minus 1 times x minus 2. So that's the polynomial in factor form, and it is quadratic function, and the leading coefficient is 3 over 2. Next example, we need to, so the next example is write the equation of a cubic function that has zeros of 0 and 3. 3 is order 2, and y-intercept is 12. So we're going to say y equals to c. One of the x-intercept is 0, so it's going to be just x. And the other one is going to be 3, so x minus 3. And since it's order 2, we need to say to the power of 2. So that makes sense, it's cubic, so 2 plus 1 is going to be 3. Now we need to find out the y-intercept of 12. Is this possible? No, because whenever the y-intercept we have, the y-intercept is going to be 0, because when x is 0, in this case, y will be 0 as well, because if you sub 0 in here, it's going to be 0. So basically, what I'm going to do, I'm going to say there will be no specific polynomial. Now imagine if it says the cubic function that has zeros of 1 and 3, order 2, and y-intercept of 12. So that's going to be y equals to c times x minus 1 times x minus 3 to the power of 2. In that case, I'm going to make this equals to 12, c, negative 1, negative 3 to the power of 2. So it's going to be 12 negative c times 9, which is going to be 12 equals to negative 9c. So c will be negative 12 over 9, which is negative 4 over 3 when you reduce it. So it's going to be y equals to negative 4 over 3 x minus 1 times x minus 3 to the power of 2. So that's going to be the cubic function. So next example, it says write a quadratic function with x-intercepts of negative 2, order 2, and 3, order 2, and the y-intercept of 144. So it's going to be y equals to c. So one of them is negative 2, so it's going to be x plus 2. This is going to be the factor. So it's order 2 to the power of 2. And here, since it's positive 3, the factor is going to be x minus 3 to the power of 2. So in order to find out c, y is going to be 144. C, 0 plus 2 to the power of 2, 0 minus 3 to the power of 2. So 144, 2 to the power of 2, negative 3 to the power of 2. So it's going to be 4, 9. So 36c. So c will be 144 over 36. It's going to be 4. So y will be 4x times x plus 2 to the power of 2, x minus 3 to the power of 2. So that's going to be the quadratic function. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.